In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable desktop notifications in Google Calendar, helping you customize your notification settings to suit your personal needs. Whether you're managing a busy schedule or just want to make sure you never miss an important appointment, enabling desktop notifications is an incredibly useful feature that keeps your commitments right on time. So, let's get started and ensure you stay on top of your schedule seamlessly. First, you want to navigate to your Google Calendar. You can access this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in calendargoogle.com. This will take you directly to your calendar where all your events and reminders are stored. Once you're there, look for the gear icon, which represents settings. You'll find this in the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking on this gear icon will open up a drop-down menu with different options related to your calendar settings. From this drop-down menu, go ahead and click on Settings. This will take you to a new page that houses all the various settings and configurations available for your calendar. It's the central hub for personalizing how your Google Calendar functions. Here, you will want to pay close attention to the left sidebar, which is laden with several categories under the General tab. In the left sidebar, locate Notification Settings and click on it. This is where you customize how you receive notifications for upcoming events and important dates. It's an essential tool for ensuring that your calendar serves you in the most efficient way possible. This section is crucial for setting up notifications that align with how you want to be reminded throughout your day, particularly if you are someone who relies heavily on these reminders for task management. Now, under Notification Settings, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Notifications. This is your next point of action. Click on this drop-down and you'll see several options on how you'd like to receive notifications. This includes email alerts, pop-up notifications, and of course desktop notifications. Make sure to select desktop notifications if it's not already chosen. This setting ensures that any alerts pop up directly on your desktop, providing a seamless notification experience without the need to check your phone or email constantly. Finally, double check to confirm that desktop notifications are indeed turned on for your Google Calendar. This step is vital as it finalizes the changes you've made, ensuring that all your settings are accurately saved. Once confirmed, you'll have personalized your notification settings, allowing desktop notifications to keep you informed of your upcoming events and engagements. And there you have it, you've successfully enabled desktop notifications in Google Calendar. This will undoubtedly help keep your schedule organized and prevent you from missing those crucial appointments. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy a more streamlined calendar experience.